रखो पक्के दोस्त को हर वक्त साथ। Juice, one place, it's fun to be young, eh?
Hello and welcome to our special game show, which is Red Bull Street Style Game Show, which is co-sponsored by D-Juice. This game show is all about football stunts, which is especially brought to you by Red Bull. जी हाँ, पाकिस्तान में पहली बार ऐसा कोई इवेंट हो रहा है कि कोई फुटबॉल को इतना ज़्यादा प्रमोट करा है, which is Red Bull. हमारे यहाँ पे contestants हैं from all over the country. जी हाँ, we have contestants from Lahore, Islamabad and Karachi. वो लोग आए हैं, उनके supporters आए हैं. ये इवेंट बहुत ही ज़्यादा मजे का होगा, viewers. हम देख रहे हैं इस इवेंट में क्या होने वाला है. इस पे हमारे पास है एक रूल, सिर्फ एक रूल, मतलब 2 players, 3 minutes and एक ball. And here we go. We'll start with the event. We have Madhi Pasha, the brand manager of Red Bull, with us. Let's see what he has to say. Assalamu alaikum. कैसा लग रहा है आप?
Loving it.
You're loving it. This event is actually, you know, हम लोग के यहाँ पे इतना की चीजें नहीं होती हैं, and we really appreciate Red Bull to actually put in efforts like that, you know.
Well, we have had we have history actually in developing sports and different sorts of things that usually do not come. Usually people do not just appreciate, because in Pakistan when we recently had the Red Bull Paper Wings event, and after that this is the first time again that we're having the same event, which is called as Red Bull Street Style. And the best part is that we have another very good brand who is partnered with us, D-Juice, for this. And the prime purpose of these entire activities and these such kind of sports is basically that you bring out the talent that is hidden or that is normally just not recognized, especially in Pakistan.
Thank you so much. Viewers, we have one of our judges with us, Benazir Azim. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Doing great, thank you.
How do you feel about this event?
I'm actually quite excited about the event. I think it's a very good thing that we have such events where you can explore new talents in Pakistan and compete it on an international level. It's very encouraging.
मेरे वैसे बेनज़ीर वैसे हाँ होता नहीं, हमारा फुटबॉल का इतना ट्रेंड नहीं है. It's just this event which is covering football. How do you feel about that?
This is the sort of thing जिससे ट्रेंड शुरू होगा. You know, जब लोग देखेंगे उनको awareness मिलेगी, they'll understand that we have all kinds of different talent in Pakistan and start exploring it. So it has to start somewhere, and this is a very good way for it to start.
How good are you in football?
Not that great, but my brother and sister are actually quite good. They got the sports gene. I'm not so good with the hand-eye coordination, unfortunately.
She is very good with all the hip-hop movements and all the Bollywood dance movements, है ना? But anyway, आज आप judge हो. आप किन basis पे decide करोगे कि who is the best contestant?
Basically, I'm the creative judge, so I'll be deciding on creativity, personality, people who bring a little bit of themselves into it, or think outside of the box.
Okay.
That sort of thing.
Thank you so much for your interview. Have fun. Hello. Stop. Viewers, we have one of the final contestants of...
My name is Rehan.
Rehan, where are you from?
I'm from Lahore.
You're from Lahore. You're here just to participate in the show. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, Rehan, what do you do?
I'm in A-levels and I go to Lahore Grammar School. That's in Lahore. And
That's nice. मुझे बताओ तुमने शो में participate क्यों किया?
actually I was called at the trials, so मैं चला गया. So they selected me, so they were like, आजा.
तुम्हें पता है अगर आज तुम जीत गए तो तुम केप टाउन जाओगे पाकिस्तान को represent करने?
I try my best to win, so if I do it, I'll go.
चलो, best of luck. Keep enjoying. Oh my God, people, look at this. I don't feel like disturbing him, but I have to hold. May I know your name?
Areeb Iqbal.
Areeb Iqbal is one of the final contestants of Red Bull. Areeb, कहाँ से हो?
Karachi.
You're from Karachi. So what do you do actually?
I'm studying in FAST, doing my electrical engineering from there.
Oh, he's an engineering student, by the way. Okay, Majid, why did you participate in the show?
Because I was interested in football official. I've been participating in such events in outside this country, in UAE. I was the top 16 there, and I tried here, and I was top 3rd in Karachi. And hopefully I'll do better here and be the champion.
You will be. Wow, that's the spirit. He wants to be a champion. तुम्हें पता है अगर आज तुम जीत गए, you will be going to Cape Town to represent Pakistan.
Yeah, I have many friends there. In fact, the Trisha champion last year, Kian, he's good friends with me.
Ah, that's all right.
I'm looking forward to meet him.
Oh, just looking forward to meet him.
Yeah.
You're going to represent Pakistan over there. How do you feel about
Tough
that?
competition. Won't go down that easily.
Whoa, that's the spirit, guys. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.